Copa America 2024 third place match preview and prediction. Third place match Canada vs Uruguay. Last 3 matches Canada vs Argentina, Venezuela and Chile. Last 3 matches Uruguay vs Colombia, Brazil and USA. Head to head Canada against Uruguay. FIFA ranking Canada vs Uruguay. Predictable lineup Canada 4-2-3-1 formation. Predictable lineup Uruguay 4-2-3-1 formation. My score prediction Canada 1, Uruguay 2.